All right, it's day 27. We're doing members areas today, so it should be good. Let's jump in. What's up, everybody? I'm Jake. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing while you're here. We are doing a review of the One Funnel Away Challenge. We are on day number 27. I had to think about that for a second. We're covering the members area today. They kind of went through and just showed us a few things, so let's jump in there and check it out. Members area. Now the first video is just Russell. He's just saying that there's two parts of a member's funnel. There's sections and lessons. Each item off of your offer should have a separate section. That way you can restrict access to it if they didn't buy that particular offer. So you should have a separate section for your main offer, your lead magnet. You should have another section for your bump, another section for your upsells, and so on and so forth. But yeah, that way you can restrict the access for people that did not purchase that product. All right, now when we're looking at this, we got the sections here and then the lessons right here. So what he's talking about is you can come over here, restrict access for people that didn't buy particular product. So now this one would be restricted to only people that bought that untitled product that doesn't exist. Anyways, that's what he's talking about. So each item in the offer needs its own separate section. The lesson itself, pretty much the same as a regular page. I mean, there's a few limitations on it. Obviously, there's not as many choices as far as elements go. But yeah, it's still basically the same. You got your sections on the outside, the green ones. You got your blue rows, and you have your two columns. Oh! Another thing, which was pretty cool, you can have the lessons that are restricted. So we'll go back to this one. You can have those still show even though they're restricted, and it gives them the option to upgrade. Restricting it like that would just basically just gives you the option to let them go back to the upsell later so they don't have to go all the way through the funnel all over again. I've actually found the members area to be fairly basic, which is fine in most situations, but if you have a very demanding course that you're trying to set up, like if you want worksheets and stuff like that, it's a lot harder to set up inside of Clickfunnels. Now, there's no doubt in my mind that you can. I just haven't figured it out yet. We'll see what I can do with it. Let's go back to the One Funnel Away stuff. You got Julie's video. She's just walking you through a simple membership site setup. She changes a few things around. She shows you how to hook up PDFs inside of there so they can click and download the PDF. And she also does mention the restricting the access and stuff like that too. Nothing new really, just except for the PDF thing. And she kind of walks you through the process. Jim Edwards here. He's actually going completely different. He's basically giving ideas on how you would record, like kind of how I'm always looking down at my bullet points, make sure I mention everything I had planned to mention. He has it to where you can use a teleprompter, and he's basically telling you to script your videos. I personally don't like scripting videos because I feel like it's inauthentic. It seems kind of cheesy and forced. And even in the video while he's trying to do it, it did seem very cheesy, and his final product also seemed a little bit forced. That's just my opinion, of course. You click on copy hacks, take you over here. This is what he's talking about, the cue prompter. So you click on that, take you here, and this is the cue prompter. So you just put your script in there, and it will, I guess, start the prompt. Paste, start prompter. That's it, nothing special. Like I said, kind of cheesy. I don't like this at all, but that's just my opinion. Some people are going to be a lot more comfortable like this, and they would probably feel like this is useful information. So I get why they shared it. But that's the teleprompter. He also did have an example of him using the exact same method he just taught you. For me, wasn't a lot of quality information because, well, I like editing, clearly. But that's it for day 27. It was a really easy day, guys. Aside from putting your content in the members area, the actual videos didn't take very long at all. I think it was like a combined total of half hour maybe. Not a lot of videos shown, so it's all about working on the members area, which is probably so far the most time consuming thing we've done. It was just a quick couple videos and just setting up the members area. Yeah, we're not to this point, so I didn't have a whole lot of work to do. So yeah, that's day 27. Hope y'all enjoyed, and subscribe if you want to, I guess. And I'll see you on the next video.